Hello, welcome to Southern Ways with Felicia. Well, we're continuing the marathon. In this video, we are opening my Redbird Vintage box number 2. This was actually my April subscription, so let's see what's in store in my Redbird Vintage box. Okay, my flare piece kind of fell to the bottom, so I will pick that up, put it on top. Two goodie bags. So again, I think like I did in my March unboxing, I will start with my clothing. I have my card. Felicia, we hope you love the items we styled for you this month. Thank you, Sarah and Karen. My flare piece is a screw back earring. Very pretty. Has that classic gold look to it. Ooh, I'm liking the colors I'm seeing here. Okay, wow, what is this? We have a dress. Oh, beautiful. So we have this beautiful dress, and you can see the detail in the print. All these beautiful flowers. It has the ruffle at the waist, and then it has like a satin skirt. And it zips in the back. This was a Liz Roberts Incorporated piece. There's the tag. You know, I get a lot of these skirts, but I never have enough skirts, and I don't have this color, so excited to add it to my collection. Oh, I love these colors. Yes. Very springy, but I will be wearing it this summer. Give you a close up because, like I said, my lighting is a little off, but here you go. You can see that the flowers are on a yellow background, and the flowers are like lavender, soft pink. Just beautiful. Oh, let me see. Oh, and I am a big fan of Leslie Faye, so this is a Leslie Faye. I have several Leslie Faye pieces, so that's right up my alley. Packet number 1. Okay. Uh-oh. We have some beads, and it is a beaded necklace. I love these necklaces. This one is pretty cool because this bead right here, a couple of them, it's like they have like a thread on them. It's really nice. And I always love this type of clasp because you can make the necklace longer or shorter, so that's pretty cool. I kind of have on something similar today. This was actually a Redbird Vintage necklace that I received, and I really love the green and the pinks, and decided to wear it with this black because the black was kind of boring, so I was like, I need a punch of color. Oh, how cool are these? We have some cha-cha-cha. We have some cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha earrings. Let's try these on. Ah, love these cha-cha earbobs. Oh, I hope you'll stay on my ear. You know, sometimes with vintage jewelry, sometimes these type of earrings, they don't stay like they should. Oh, I'm loving these. These are going to be great to wear this summer. So festive. Music in my ears. Are they beautiful? I really like these. Let's see what else we have. We'll just keep these on. Okay. Second bag. I don't normally get 2 bags, so this is pretty cool. But I guess because my necklace was so big, they needed to have room for my other pieces. Ooh. Again, I love these type of necklaces. You can never get enough of, you know, these. You need them in every color. This is almost like, I'm picking up greens and a little bit of iridescent, grays, pink. It has a lot of different little colors going on. So I really like this because I probably will wear this with a lot of gold, green, brown, and grays. I really like that. Oh, and we have a set here. Okay. Ooh, this is a bracelet. I don't think I get that many bracelets. Let me try it on. I have to be careful with bracelets because they, like this one is too big, so I will probably have to gift this to someone who will enjoy it more than myself because it's just a little too big. I need to take the measurements and see what it is because I may need to adjust my bracelet measurements that I gave Sarah and Karen. So I need to check on that because it is a pretty bracelet, but just doesn't fit. And then I have the ear bobs to go with it. I really like the earrings. I like the design on the bracelet and the earrings. So I will probably keep the earrings. They're so pretty. They're just classic statement conservative earrings that I can wear to work. Yes, but I'm here for these right here. Yes, gorgeous. So what piece did you like best? Did you like my cha-cha earrings? Did you like my dresses? Did you like a different type of beaded necklaces? Comment below. I'd like to know. I'm curious to know what was your favorite because, you know, it's all about the cha-cha earrings for me. That was my favorite in my April box. I'd like to take this opportunity to say to you, thank you so much for visiting my channel, Southern Ways with Felicia. I certainly hope you'll stick around to see what else we're talking about. And if you haven't already, give us a thumbs up. We certainly appreciate that. And again, thank you for stopping by.